I have 5 strategies to help you grow your business with Instagram. Instagram is a powerful visual social media platform which can help you develop awareness for your brand. It can help you drive traffic to your website, your blog, as well as other social media platforms such as YouTube or Facebook or Pinterest. Instagram is an excellent platform to help you improve your conversions because as people get to know your brand or feel like they have an emotional attachment to your brand because of the photos that you share that show the products or the solutions that you solve, they will be more apt to answer your call to action when you put it on Instagram and other locations such as your website or blog. Lastly, that retention element in your marketing plan, keeping and developing loyal customers, staying top of mind in front of the people who actually already like your brand. Instagram is a great way to do that. And when you keep the loyalty high because you're in communication, you're connecting with your fans, with your customers, that helps grow your business. Connect with influencers on Instagram, people who have more followers than you. You can partner with them, you can champion them, and they can champion you. You can even sponsor them to help drive more traffic to your feed. Developing relationships with multiple influencers certainly can help improve your brand awareness as well as increase the activity on your Instagram feed. Capitalize on trends, especially trends related to your industry. Get out there, be a leader, be a voice for your industry related to things that people are talking about. Find trends on YouTube, Twitter, even Facebook. Find out what people are talking about and then create content which will put you in the forefront, which will put you in front of the people talking about that topic. This can be very effective to develop awareness of your brand and drive traffic to your website and blogs. The next strategy is to let everyone know you have an Instagram account. Don't be shy sharing that icon on your website, on your blog, in your collateral material. Let people know you have an active Instagram account. Put it in the signatures of your company emails. Let your team members, employees, partners, and vendors know about your Instagram account and encourage them to share the good news about what you're doing on your Instagram. Embed your Instagram videos on your blog and on your website to let people know that you have a creative Instagram account. Lastly, use the powerful platform that Instagram sits on, Facebook. Facebook owns Instagram and you can use the power of Facebook to help promote your Instagram account. You can advertise using Facebook's platform or you can promote your individual posts. Now, promote the ones that are doing really well organically because they will give you the most bang for your buck. So if you're looking for more ways to grow your Instagram account, check out this video right here. This video is part of 3 videos related to Instagram, so make sure you watch all 3. So how do you use Instagram to grow your business? I look forward to reading your answers in the comments below. And of course, if you found this video valuable, make sure you like it and share it with your friends. If you don't want to miss a future upload, be sure to subscribe.